Hi guys, this is Engineer Fakir Muhammad Shah, and today we are going to discuss basics of mathematics. We have begun a series named Basics of Mathematics. Basics of anything are very important. Let's take an example of a building. If its foundation, if its basic is weak and we have spent very less on its foundation, and then we spend a lot of money in raising that building in its superstructure, but its substructure, its foundation is weak, the building won't last for long. The same concept can be applied on mathematics or any subject. So there should be no hesitation in learning these basic things. Let's start with addition. So there are two types of addition. Firstly, let's discuss, if I write this number, it has a sign, positive sign. Whenever we write numbers like 2 plus 3, so the starting number, for this starting number, this is not necessary to write positive sign here. It is already understood that it is positive if we have not written any sign. So this and this both are the same things. And if I write like this, so this is negative 2. We can say negative 2 or minus 2. This is plus 3. And we talk about equals to sign. So the number directly after the equals to sign is 8. So we don't need to write positive here also, because it is the first number just after the equality sign. Similarly, the first number starting from the starting of our line, we don't need to use positive sign if it's positive. However, if it's negative, we will use the sign of negative. Now let's discuss. This is a 5 plus 7. This becomes 12. And we have written no sign here, that means it's positive 12. And now if I am doing minus 5, minus 7. Now the question arises here, what will we do here? Remember, if both numbers contain same sign, we will do addition. This is very simple rule. If both numbers contain same sign, we will do addition. Here also, this is positive, this is also positive. Both numbers have same signs, that's why we did addition. Here we will also do addition, 5 plus 7, 12. But what is difference in these both equations? Here we will put negative sign. Why? Because the terms which we added were negative, so the answer will also be negative. Here the terms we added both were positive, so the answer will also be positive. Write or don't write, it's understood. Thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe